Hello, woof-woof everyone, Toney Taigan Azawakh here. Welcome to my third video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Dog Tug Toy Friend that look just like this. Alright, these are the supplies that you are going to need for this project. You're going to need scissors, E6000 glue, a Barbie doll outfit which I'm going to explain later on, googly eyes, and for the hair, if you decide to put hair on your Tug Toy Friend, you can use either yarn or different colors of your choosing, or different fur textures, a different color of your choosing. It's your choice. And last but not least, a dog tug toy. You can purchase these at any stores near you, such as Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, PetSmart, or Petco, whichever one is closest near you. Alright, let's get started. I have already started working on a brand new Tug Toy Friend, and here it is. And here's a story behind this one. It was originally going to be a boy, but I had to look deeper into the colors and saw that there were feminine colors inside of it. So instead of being a boy, I decided to make it a girl because of that. And I'm almost done, so I decided to finish her up in this video tutorial. Alright, let's get started. We will start by finishing up on her hair. As you can see, I already had used some of the blue yarn for her hair, and I'm getting ready to show you how to put the yarn inside of it. You use about 3 strings of hair, and then what you do afterwards, you take the strings part, the ends of the tug. You hold one piece just like that. You take the string, tie it around it, and make sure the string meets the other string. It will be even. Alright, make sure it's in place. And then tie it around 2 times. 1, 2. And then you scooch it down to the root. And presto, that's how you get the hair on it. And I will show you later in the video how to use the fur felt if you decide to go with the fur felt for the hair of your Tug Toy Friend. Alright, I'm going to finish putting the other 2 strings inside of the scalp for the hair. And after this, we're going to glue on the googly eyes. Repeat the steps just like I showed you before the first time. And see how the hair is building up. Here, this is a better view. See how the hair is building up as you repeat the steps? Alright, this is the 3rd string. Alright. Alright, and then push it down to the scalp. Down to the root. So it could be nice and in place. And there you have it. The hair is complete, and you get to style it and do anything that you like with the hair afterwards. Alright, we'll worry about styling the hair later. Now we're going to move on to gluing the eyes. So I'm going to move this tug out of the way. Putting my napkin in place because I'm about to use the E6000 glue. The E6000 glue drips a lot, so when you are using this glue for your projects, always have a napkin by your side so it can catch the drippings, so it won't mess up any fabrics or anything that's valuable that you are using your projects upon. I'm squeezing it, to activate it so it could, start. All right, set it on the napkin. Get my tug toy friend right here. I'm gonna rest her head right here on this fur felt. I'm gonna use that as a little pillow. Get her eyes out. All right, and let's begin putting her eyes in place. Got one eye on. Now you have to play around with the eyes so you can get them in the perfect positions that you want them to be. And you press down so they can, lock into place and the glue will begin to dry. And there you have it, you guys. This project is simple and very easy to make. And as you can see, as we to put hair on her and to put eyes on her, she's already come to life and already taken on her own personality. All right, now we're going to put the cap back on the E6000 glue so it wouldn't drip anymore. Save that glue. Put that to the side. All right, back to the Barbie doll outfit as I said before. To put the out to have outfits on your tug toy friends, you could either do one or two options. You could either go to your local stores such as Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Dollar General, any other place that sells Barbie doll clothes, and you can dress your tug toy friends up just like this. See, she has a sundress on. Or the other option, you can make your tug toy friends outfits from scratch by using fleece material that you could purchase from AC Moore, Walmart, or Joann's Fabrics, just like I did with this one. His shirt is made of fleece. And I also did the same thing with this guy. I made his whole outfit, his pants, and his shirt from scratch. And look at his hair. And get into the hair, as I said before, the fur felt hair, you could use it by measuring it to the cranium of your tug toy friend's head. And once you measure it, that's when you cut it out, and then that's when you glue it with the E6000 glue. and then hold it down. And you use the palm of your hand to hold the hair onto the cranium like that until it locks itself in place and the glue will begin drying. And once it's finished drying, you could do anything that you like with their hair. Style it, do anything you like. It is your choice. And back to the outfit. I made his outfit from scratch. His shirt and his pants. And this tug toy has arms, so he looks just like a human being. Some tug toys don't have arms, but it's your choice whether you want one with arms or you want one with no arms, like so. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera a little bit, guys. Like so, she doesn't have no arms, but she's still here, and that's all that matters. And also for pants, if you would like to make pants for your tug toy friends, you could use kid mittens like this. You could purchase them at your stores, any local stores near you. And this is another girl tug toy that I had made. I used this little kid's mitten as pants. And I used this Care Bear Barbie doll shirt for her shirt. And here she is. And I use fleece material for her hair. Isn't she pretty? Oh, and about one more thing about the ears and the earrings. About the ears and earrings. You could use fleece materials to cut out by making them into the shape of a D, and then you can glue them on the side of their heads. And then once it's finished drying, you could use any earrings or any other jewelry that you like for earrings, and it will end up looking like this one. And as I said before, this project is very simple and easy to make. And I think the little ones would just eat this up. All right, that's enough for now. Hope to see you all again in the next video tutorial that's coming very soon. Have a good evening, and may God continue to bless and be with each and every one of you. Bye bye.